Shoninki scroll that talks about utilizing the environment, and later on it states gives a few tips on how to tell whether or not the weather will be windy and or rainy. So the Shoninki states that it will be rainy within at least 3 days if you see two things. When you look into the sky on a sunrise and if you see a great morning glow, is what it states. Great morning glow. In other words, when you look at a sunrise and it's very orange and glowy, it's not just a bright yellow regular sunrise morning. If it has an orange tint to it, it usually, I'm assuming that means that there's clouds off in the distance and it's glowing through the clouds, therefore creating like an orange glowy sunrise. This is a sign that it might rain soon. Also, if the sun and moon are slightly clouded over, word for word, is what the Shoninki also states as a sign that it might soon to be raining. Again, if you see partial clouds starting to cover the sun or moon and they start thickening as the day goes on and or as time goes on, this means that you have rain clouds soon to be moving in within the next few days. However, it says, however, if the sunset is bright, the weather will be fine. If the sunset is bright, a normal sunset, you have your normal glow upon the sun setting, and you look out there on the horizon, and if it's normal, the weather will be fine the next day. But I know this, if it's pink, if you have a pink sunset, usually that means the sun is, again, it's glowing through a few clouds. Therefore, these could be possibly rain clouds. Again, a pink sunset. This is not in the Shoninki, but I know that this means it might rain. It's an old sailor trick. You see a pink sunset, it means it might possibly rain within the next couple of days. Or soon. But it mentions in the Shoninki, if the sunset is bright, the weather will be fine. Using a candle or the candle flame, the light itself, to tell whether or not there will be weather advantages that you can take advantage of, such as the flame itself, whether or not the flame emits soot. If you see little bits of black, and if it makes a little bit of noise as it sits still in a stale aired room, if you hear it make noise or it flickers by itself, there's possibility of it. That means it's very breezy outside, and there's possibility of having a windy night that night for your mission. If the candle makes noise. Again, also with the candle, if you see the candle emit soot or small puffs of black, this means that the air is moist. There's possibility of rain. If you see black soot emitting from the candle flame. Here are some pictures from museums that would actually would be some of the tricks of the trade for a ninja to look for weather conditions, such as looking for dew spots on spider webs and things like that. Again, there's many different ways to tell weather by looking at sky, things around you, leaves, whatnot. It's just all in what you learn and how you apply that knowledge. But again, a ninja would definitely take in consideration weather, and if it's going to be a certain type of weather condition, such as wind, to create lots of rustling of trees, fog, rain itself, these are things that a ninja would take advantage of. Hey, ninja, on a day like this, like today, where it's raining, wouldn't have to worry about the sound he makes on a rooftop, but there's already rain creating lots of noise that would mask his or her small sounds being made while infiltrating.
Listen closely to the rustling of the leaves made by the wind. The sound splashing upon this canvas above you, and the thunder you just heard, the rain splashing on the ground itself.
This is when the perfect time, run an infiltration mission because of the rainfall, because of the thunder, the lightning, the things that no one else would be outside. The ninja would be.
The sound of the rain on the ground, splashing. This is what a ninja would take advantage of. He would even maybe carry buckets of water, for if this rain died down, they would want to continue the splashing noise. With sound of thunder as well. Now, the rain has died down some. The wind's trying to blow you away. I'm out here on a rainy night, or a rainy day, and it was raining pretty heavy a minute ago. Thunder and everything, enough of everything to mask my sounds. But then I would also be carrying a jug of water with me. Now, as I'm on top of the roof here, a ninja would take this extra bit of water and pour it to create an extra little splashing sound off the eaves of the roof. Again, ninja would sometimes carry buckets of water to help make this splashing coming down from the roof go even harder. So that way it would help mask their sounds after the rain has died down.